back to my school today. Let's learn A, B, C. Come on, friends, let's have fun. A for apple. Apple is red and tasty. B for ball. Ball is round and bouncy. C for cat. Cat says meow meow. D for dog. Dog says woof woof. E for elephant. Elephant is big and loud. F for fish. Fish swims splash splash.
Wow!
G for goat. Goat says meh meh. H for horse. Horse runs tick tick tick.
Wow, nice.
I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy.
Wow, very tasty.
J for juice. Juice is sweet and funny.
Okay.
K for kite. Kite flies up, up high.
Awesome.
L for lion. Lion says roar. M for monkey. Monkey jumps ha ha hoo hoo. N for nest. Nest is home of baby birdies. O for orange. Orange is juicy and sweet.
Wow, very tasty.
P for parrot. Parrot says hello, hello.
Wow!
Q for queen. Queen wears shiny crown.
Awesome.
R for rabbit. Rabbit runs zoom zoom.
Beautiful.
S for sun. Sun is hot and shiny. T for tiger. Tiger says grr, wow. U for umbrella. Umbrella says pop open. V for van. Van goes vroom vroom. W for watch. Watch says tick tock. X for xylophone. Xylophone goes ding ding dong. Y for yak. Yak has funny hairy back.
Wow!
Z for zebra. Zebra has stripes, black and white.
Very good.